not the father, but that ain't problem for me, it ain't no bother. Yes, it's with the truth, and I'm like no other. I'm just messing up my grammar, cause I'ma make poor grammar sound rich, yep. Nah, I'm not gonna curse in the verse. Seriously, I got this thirst and I'm gonna quench it. Yes, when I'm in it, I got the attention of these people. Yes, I spin it, move it, yeah, I'm in it. You want to listen to me doing it? Yes, could ruin it. Yes, I'm fluent with what I'm doing. Music is the thing that I love. Yeah, I'm not gonna be useless with this. I'm gonna use it, abuse it. Yeah, and this is what I'm doing. So anyway, yes, I know I got things in. Many times I'm in my rhymes, but all the time I get these lines and I just shine. I am so bright. I got this might and I light onto these words. I get with them. Yes, this is what I prefer. This is what I wanna do. Yes, it's what I'm doing. This is that I got a crew pursuing. Then I do it. Who is the one? That's me. Yes, I'm the one that is the one that's just. I go this. No, I don't need to say that. This my business. When you witness this, yes, it's something. Yes, I'm just spitting, kids. Yes, I know you are some high schoolers, but I know this is what I'm gonna do because it's what I love. Yeah, I'm gonna be above anything, but understand it. Yeah, that's what I'm do. Let me think. I got something else to say. Yes, I'ma jump and pump and rump. I'ma move it up. Yes. Anyways, I'm done. Yes, that was fun. Thank you, people. It was fun to stun. Peace.
Kids of peace.